Today's program is swapsort. In this we will swap the first and the last characters of the string, and we will sort the string according to its numeric place in A to Z. So I'm CGR, welcome to Education Valley. Today we have another amazing video on the Java program, so let's do it. Our string is LOVE, love. So to swap it, so let's see the program. This is the string not wide main. So first we're using objects and methods. Like we always use objects and method, we are using objects and method specifically to solve this program. So first we call readwrd takes an input and converts it into uppercase, because uppercase and lowercase both have different numeric denominations, so it may cause problems. That's why we convert both of them to uppercase. Convert the whole to the uppercase because one may be LOVE, for example. L may be uppercase and OVE, so we just convert. In most of the string operations in the school programs, we convert all to uppercase or lowercase and then do the job. Then we took the word. After that we swap the word. So swap the word. So to swap the word, we are in this case first character and the last character of the word swapped, others remain the same. So we're using substring to do our job. So first we extract the first character and we extract the last character. After that we extract the middle characters using substring, and then we add in the reverse order. So how does substring work? This is like the only thing good in this program to understand how substrings work. So substrings work from, so this is the example of substring. So LOVE, the length is 4 and you start, the counting starts from 0 1 2 3. So 0th position, first position, second position and third position. So in substring, if you want to extract from the second and third from first to the last, so you will take first to the +1, because substring extracts whichever the last limit you put in substring will extract 1 minus of that. So if we put in here 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3, so this is the range we have put in from 1 to 3. So it will extract 1 and 2, O and B. So that's how substrings work. So this will have 1 and length minus 1, length which was 4 minus 1, it will have 3 and it will extract till 2. Perfect. This is how substrings work. After that we will add the whole in reverse, that is swapping chart done. Then we will have the sort the word. We have to sort the word in its arithmetic place in A to Z alphabetic order. So this is the A to Z alphabetic order and its respective place in the numeric digit. So how will we know the place in the numeric digit? We will just run from A to Z, and we'll just run from A to Z, and if we will extract that character, and if that character comes, we will just add it in a word. For example, if we run from A to Z, the first it will come. So let's take this example, LOVE. We are running in this loop. So A, no match, like A, then it will go through whole of the letters, like all of the characters. Then B, it will go through all of the characters. For C, it will go through all of the characters. D, it will go through all of the characters. E, it goes through all of the characters and finds D is equals to I 1. then it adds E. After that it will add L, then it will add O, and then at last it will add V when it run to V. Also, even if you have more than, if you have repeated characters, it does not matter. This program is more than enough to handle both of them. So because it will match both of them and it will add both of them, so it won't be any issue. After that we just display the original word, we display the swapped word, and we display the sorted word. So basically we use substring, then we reverse how we add all of that together in another string, that is swap word. After that we run from A to Z. Inside of it we run through the whole word 0 to L, and we extract every character LOVE again and again till whenever it's a match, we store it into a sort word, another string that we have declared as empty. We keep storing in that. We are using here shorthand operator. sortwrd is equals to sortwrd plus d. That will be the full form of that shorthand operator. So that's how the shorthand operators work. That's what we are using here. So that was the program. Let me run this program once. Swapsort first. The word LOVE, love. Original word is LOVE. The swapped word is LOVE, and the sorted is ELOV. Let's enter more words. APPLE, apple. APPLE, APPLE, and sorted is AELPP. Perfect. This was the program for swap sort. Thank you.